a race, let's count each run. From 1 to 20, step by step fun. Now get ready, set, go! 1 step, the zebra takes the lead. 2 steps, the monkey picks up speed. 3 steps, elephant stomps so loud. 4 steps, the cheetah is fast and proud. 5 steps, the hippo joins the race. Everyone's moving, pick up the pace. Count with the animals, wild and free, marching through the jungle and the tall, tall trees. Step by step, from 1 to 20, let's cheer them on, we've got plenty. 6 steps, the rhino's charging through. 7 steps, giraffe with the birdie crew. 8 steps, the lion gives a roar. 9 steps, hyena laughs some more. 10 steps, crocodile steps and slides. The race is heating up, what a ride. Count, count, stomp your feet. Jungle rhythm, jungle beat. Every animal wants to win. Let's help them count again and grin. 11 steps, flamingos stop in style. 12 steps, the leopards run a mile. 15 steps, the parrots fly real high. 14 steps, the snakes slither by. 15 steps, the warthog shakes his tail, racing fast down the jungle trail. 16 steps, meerkat up and peak. 17 steps, ostriches with speedy feet. 18 steps, zebras swim with pride. 19 steps, girls glide side by side. 20 steps, we've reached the end. The safari race was wild, my friend. Clap, stomp, count along with safari friends so big and strong. From 1 to 20, what a day. Learning numbers the wildest way. Hooray!
Thanks for watching.